It's really important to understand the IOF, institutional order flow. Uh, for understanding it, you have to pay attention to the external liquidity range at higher scale of time and price range, like and daily range when you have a spike on price and you have to go further and further above all the high and you make new ATH uh, every week and you left some big void and FVG like this and you just retrace to half of the range of the FVG and you just go higher and higher and higher. So well, there is a lot of stuff that you have to uh, submit on your analysis, like IPDA and seasonal tendency, but there is a big liquidity and we just jump it once and went higher and higher, and once price came down and took this liquidity, our IOF transferred to the bullish because all these lows are provide liquidity for going higher. So price by engineered movement going down and took all of this liquidity that have been provided and prepared in this all day long, like in 1 month. So when price come down and took this old low, we have a liquidity pool that have been purged and cleared, and we have a new reversal, a bullish reversal to the high and going for this. If I just combine all of them, you can see there is a liquidity up here, target by liquidity pool, and price goes higher and but didn't take it, and we had another retracement to lower price because our last movement was very spikely, very hard, and we had lots of inefficiency range of price like this. So the price need to reprice this area to going higher. Okay, but also you have to notice it that we have a big void here. Yes, we don't have any void because it's just a big down and big up on higher time frame, but in lower time frame we have lots of pocket of inefficiency price. So once we cleared a big liquidity, we are going to reverse the price to the higher range. So we took this liquidity. So what is important about it? You have to notice that in ICT concept, when we take a liquidity pool, there is a reversal, but we don't have it here. So what's the problem? It's all engineered higher and higher because the IPTA and the market maker try to pair their orders with other people and other big companies because they are buying here and market maker is trying to sell here. They put all of their sell orders here. So because of the price is going higher and everyone is buying. Who's buying? The uninformed money. Who's selling? The smart money. Because of the huge amount of money that market maker is trying to provide in this long candles. So at this moment the algorithm wouldn't like to pair any orders anymore, so we're going to sell and take some profit. So we're going down and another retrace, but we have protected highs. Sell off, take some profit, and again we have a bullish, another protected high. We sell off again very deeply and we're going to have another retrace because there is no liquidity like here that we're going to say, okay, we took this high and price gonna reverse again. You know, we don't have something like this because it's the newest ATH price. So basically we have to understand that it's a one-side traded area, just green. All of them is just provide more and more new numbers in the chart because the algorithms need a higher price to pair their sell orders with uninformed money. So we're going to sell off here and we're going higher, but again we have protected high here. So basically every time the price went higher, the market maker get involved with sell orders, like here with this sell off and take some profit, and still they have more sell orders here, again here. Okay, but it's like we had a liquidity here and market maker took all of them, but still a protected high here. So sell off again, retrace for mitigate some loss and add more and more sell orders. So here we have a big protected and sell off again. This time we had a bigger one. Why? Because we had provided internal liquidity here. Okay, So basically, every time in this higher scale of time and price range of price, I'm sorry, market maker try to involve everyone to going to this chart and buy, because this is gonna be some big movement. So everyone think, okay, we took this look, everyone think we took this liquidity, so okay, let's go, we have a reverse. But no, it's an internal. Our big range is still here because we had a big void, so price is still with a IOF bearish. So it's a provided liquidity special here when we had higher and another higher low. So basically everyone thought we're going to break this high, and we're going to break this high and let's go for the new ATH. But it's all liquidity from uninformed people, institutional big companies. They have all sell orders here. I mean, they have long position in form of sell stop. So price going to take it very fast. And another retrace, we can have a flip on here. So you can see price had a retrace to the deepest area of premium, and again we had another sell off, and once again we had this protected high and price couldn't take it. So basically you have to know when price is going down, 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 and we're so close to this low, so you don't have to worry about breaking these highs and going higher. You have to take advantage and focus when you have a retrace, and just think about that we are going to have a deep, deep, deep price of premium to take the most huge amount of sell orders here. So basically market maker just cross from all of these ranges of being premium or discount and sell off again very, very deeply and very fast, and we took this liquidity here. And after that, if you look at weekly, we put our buy orders here, right here. This is you know, in basically in ICT concept, we have buy orders in bearish candles. So we have market maker orders here, buy orders. So when price come across this area, you don't have to be worried like, oh my god, price gonna be very deeply and everything is just on fire and we lost everything. No, this is a strong bullish order block. So market maker had lots of buy orders here, and also take other uninformed money buy orders in form of sell stop, and then take an advantage of being in IOF bullish scenario, and we are going to destroy every single high, retrace and high, retrace and high. So now we're not thinking about selling or buying, because when we have our mindset of being bullish on chart, so we can take all of them. We can sell in retrace and buy in expansion. So every time we have like this in bullish scenario, okay, we have a consolidation here, and we can take sell orders to retrace this void, and then we have a fair valuation area and take buy orders to go higher. Then we have another retrace. So where is that? We going to scale with faith on equilibrium. Maybe price going down to this 62%, but our eyes are focused on just equilibrium, and then we go up, and then we have another scale. So basically price go here, but if algorithm is on hurry to go higher, so price won't stay here so long or going so deep. It is just here and just go up so fast. So now we have a bullish scenario, and our eyes just focus on this, but we don't know where we're going to take this. So price can just stay here so long and take some liquidity before taking this old high.